Nobody is talking about this. Here is how you can make $100 in 15 minutes by doing one simple task. Come on, let me show you how. But before we dive in, be sure to save this video so that you can reference it later and follow along for more videos like this. First, go to Google and type in winter.com. Then click on the first search result. Next, once you're on this page, come on over here to Participants and click on Sign Up. As you can see, you can get paid to participate in research studies, customer interviews, and product demos. Here's how it works. First, you're going to sign up, then you will be invited to participate, and then you're going to get paid $10 to $100 per survey, or $90 to $600 per hour. The survey takes 1 to 15 minutes, and you even get to choose how you get paid. To get started, click on Sign Up, and if you want to learn about the side hustle that I personally do that allowed me to quit my full-time job and make $100,000 in just 12 months, then comment, learn to get a copy of my free 7-step blueprint to help get you started today.